Whether we like it or not, it is not a mistake when you see churches. It is not a mistake when you see a lot of mosques, where your worship centers. It helps to reduce crime. Because when people go to this worship center, they listen to these words. The fear of God comes. Some evil action are limited compared to when you're not even hearing anything. And what is available to you is just the opportunity to commit crime and crime. So we will make sure that we create a very conducive place for your worship, because we know at the end it's going to be a win-win for our state. People say, what have we done in 1 year? And what are we celebrating? We don't need to beat our drums. What we have done is there for the world to see. As a matter of fact, I am not a social media person, but I'm aware that first-time governors, when they rated them in Twitter and all those their social media thing, Rivers State was ranked #1. We're not talking about 2-kilometer road. You understand? We're not talking about building one primary school. We're talking about life-changing projects. And that is why you don't even need to argue with anybody. People will always, the only fruit that will be attacked or that attracts attention is the ripe one. So you should understand that we are ripe. So people will look for a way to come close through attack. So you don't need to worry. What we have done is speaking for us. And by the special grace of God, by the time we finish, your wish, just like you said, will make a mark for a more better River State. One with God is one with majority. So when you have God around, you need fear nothing. They will plan, they will gather, but their gathering at the end of the day will be to your own glory. So I can say boldly that God has been very faithful to us against the expectation of a lot of people. He's been guiding us, holding us forth, and we can boldly beat our chest to say, so far, we have shown that we are a responsible government. We have shown that we mean well for Rivers people. We have shown that this is not just a government of control. It's a government to give everybody opportunity. A government that allows you to feel free, operate within the law. But that is the only way we can move from where we are and advance the state of our own state here.